There we go. And we're off. Okay, so here we are. Getting ready to make a left turn onto Fott. And we're all clear. And over here, this is San Miguel School right here. There's Pat on his sister's bike. This is the downhill part of the trip. Going up. We are on Corpus right now. A few little bumps. Enhanced by stiff aluminum frame. Man with dog. And we're into the first turn here. There's Pat. Pat's got that bike going pretty good. And he's going. I've never seen that bike go that fast. And we're coming up. And coming in. You got that thing going. I've never seen that bike go that fast.
For the last time it goes so fast.
All right, so go ahead and turn this off now.